Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Azure OpenAI Python SDK allows developers to integrate OpenAI's powerful language models into their applications using Azure services. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of setting up the Azure OpenAI Python SDK and demonstrate how to generate text using the OpenAI GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, model. Before you begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites. Open a terminal and install the Azure OpenAI Python SDK using pip. Now, let's write a Python script to generate text using the Azure OpenAI Python SDK. Replace your _API_ key and your _endpoint with the API key and endpoint you obtained from the Azure portal. Save the script to a file, example generate_text.py, and run it. Enter a prompt when prompted, and the script will use the Azure OpenAI Python SDK to analyze sentiment and extract key phrases from the generated text. Congratulations! You've successfully set up and used the Azure OpenAI Python SDK to generate text using the OpenAI GPT model. Feel free to explore more capabilities and customize the script according to your application's needs. ChatGPT.